Hey guys, good morning. Today is Friday. It's neon day at work, even though I'm not really representing no neon. But I forgot my vlogging camera at work, so this is on my iPhone. So I hope that the quality is good. If not, it will get better once I get home and switch out my camera. But I just kind of really enjoyed vlogging the last time that I did it. So I wanted to get back into the swing of things and vlog for you guys. I was trying when I was headed in the other direction, but the sun was like blinding me and I couldn't see, and I tried to set up the camera and I looked like a ghost. Like I looked super pale because the sun was directly hitting my face. Anyways, if you're not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button and hit the little notification bell just so you're notified whenever I post new videos. I brought my makeup case because I'm going to be doing my makeup at work to just do something neon. Right now it's just kind of plain. Well, actually I attempted to do my makeup this morning, but I was rushing and it just wasn't coming out right, so I just like wiped my entire face and I just brought all the stuff with me, and I'll do it later at work because we have happy hour in the office after work and it's neon themed. So yeah, I'm wearing like all black, even though it's like it looks like a super faded black, but I bought it like this. I really like it. It has like retro vibe, feels, whatever. What else was I gonna say? I don't know. I don't know what else I was gonna say, but I'm gonna be vlogging like this weekend. It's a long weekend and it should be a fun one. I have stuff to do both on Saturday and Sunday, and of course today, Friday, I have the happy hour. So should be really interesting. I really don't have very much to do on Monday, or at least not very much that I can show you guys, but let's see how it works out. Let's see. Oh, excuse me. Maybe I think Monday is gonna be the day that I kind of finally clean out my closet and clean through my makeup. So we'll see where the world takes us. And my nails look really janky. Don't judge me, judge your mama. Anyways, I'm about to pull up to work, and I still am like 20 minutes early, which is good, but I gotta eat breakfast, so not that great. Anyway, I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. I almost forgot to show you guys my makeup, but I'm in the bathroom, so sorry. It's a video. I'm at my job. Happy hour, neon happy hour. That's what it looks like. Got the Smash Bros up there. A little beer pong later. What else? There's billiards or pool and ping pong. I think it's chrono bomb over here, however you say that. I'm playing Brazilian right now. I don't know how to play this, but I'm about to beat everybody.
I had both of them. You looked up for me.
What's the 8 card? That's it. We're all enemies.
And away we go.
I thought 7 was this. Oh my God.
No, we're like putting your attention.
So I'll explain all the rules a little bit later because this game's getting really intense. So there's crazy traffic right now. Hey guys, I am driving home. Yes, I changed my shirt on my lunch break. I ran to Forever 21. Literally ran because we were fine going. It's just coming back. We were running a little bit late, like a little bit tight on time. We ended up making it with time to spare, but we ran. And I realized how out of shape I am, and my knees wasn't with it at all, but whatever. Oh, please don't hit me. So now I am leaving the area that I work I almost said the area that I work, but I'm leaving the area that I work. Don't worry guys, I'm totally sober. I drank like 10 cups of water and this is number 11. I'm headed to the house. Jake is with his dad. But what I'm gonna do is Jake asked me if I could get him some Burger King. So I'm gonna stop at Burger King, get his food, and then go home. Can't wait to take a shower. I can't wait to cuddle. What are you doing, sir? Sorry, people can't drive in Miami, but I'm sure y'all knew this. Anyways, I'm going to take a shower and then I'm going to cuddle up with my baby, or maybe I'll cuddle up with my babies, with both Jake and Simba, and I have to feed Harry, which is my rabbit, in case you guys didn't know that. But I'm gonna feed everybody, and then I'm gonna cuddle with everybody, then I'm gonna take a shower. I might film a video tonight, I don't know, because I have to take all this tribal paint, neon paint off. I don't know if I mentioned, but it's a neon party, or it was a neon party. I'm talking a lot. I need to chill. But yeah, such has been my Friday. It's only 8:20 right now. Nope. Miami Beach be giving these red light tickets. Anyways, it's only 8:21, but such is mom life. Like, I've been at work for the past over 12 hours now. I've been at work for 8:21, about 13 hours today. But I mean, a lot of it was chilling. Really when your phone be playing you. Oh, my move goal is at 200%. Hey, this is a horrible angle. Hold on, let me fix it, but let me also pay attention while I drive. Okay, better? I think it's better. I know it's a little bit dark, but it's because I'm only using the light in here. And I'm about to go over the bridge. Anyways, I forgot what I was saying because my phone fell. Rude. Oh, I think I was saying it's only like 8 something, but mom life. Hashtag mom life. Let me focus on driving, and then I'll talk to you guys, I guess, when I'm at Burger King and I cross this bridge. Bye. The Miami skyline, but total fail right now because the trees are covering it. Let me see if I can show you guys a little better, I guess. Once I get over this little bridge, it probably will be a lot better. Hold on, wait a minute, hold on. Yeah, there's my beautiful city. Well, the downtown of my beautiful city. Alright, y'all, I made it to Burger King. I was also singing, so maybe I'll insert some snaps or something. Hi, can I please do the Hamburger King Junior meal? Can I have only mustard and ketchup on the hamburger?
I'm sorry, what's that again? Say hold on your thing.
Can I do the King Junior meal, the hamburger meal?
Okay.
Only mustard and ketchup on the burger?
You don't want cheese?
No. And instead of a soda, can I do a Oreo shake, please? A small.
Ketchup and mustard.
Yeah, that's it.
No cheese on the ketchup.
Yeah, and then can I do?
An Oreo shake?
Yeah.
Alright.
And then can I do? So I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I don't know why the hell I came to this Burger King. It's always the issue at this Burger King. Nobody has come to take my money or anything. We just sitting here, and there's nobody in front of me. Always. Every time I come to this Burger King, there is an issue. Every single time. But it's the closest one to my house. I'm just frustrated. They're killing my buzz right now. Oh, is she coming? Nope, she not coming. She went in the freezer. Ain't nobody say 1 minute, nothing. Yes, I just said ain't. That lets you know how frustrated I am. My hair looks crazy. It's just sweaty because I was dancing. And I don't know if you guys heard it, but when I placed my order, she was like, can you just repeat the whole thing? They weren't even listening to me. Hopefully, I gotta check the food, make sure it's right, because that's another thing. Again, it was on my way, but my bad. All right. Y'all saw the annoyed one eye roll. That's when you know it's real. What I told y'all. I'm like pissed. So somebody finally came to the window to tell me to go to the next window. Finally. And then they gave me the wrong meal, but whatever. It was more of a deal. So now I ended up, when I had just ordered a burger for me and Jake, like a burger each, 2 burgers. Now I have 3 burgers. So I guess Jake can eat too if he's hungry. I'm really not that hungry, but I just feel like later, once I like chill, I'm gonna get hungry and I'm not coming back out. So I just got one now. I'm not that far from the house at all. I'm like maybe 3 minutes away. So it's just, it depends on the lights and whether they catch me or not. Sir, stay in your lane. Jeez. I don't want to mess up my makeup, so I can show you guys really good once I get to the house. And I also want to show Jake because he loves it. I want to do like cool stuff. I didn't do the face paint. I just did my eyes. I don't know if I vlogged that part, but my coworker friend, she did it for me. She's into like, not makeup. She's into like, I guess graphic, like costume-y makeup or face painting and stuff like that, like special effects makeup. That's the word I was looking for. It wasn't clicking. It wasn't connecting. So yeah, she's into special effects makeup, and she likes face paint and all that kind of stuff. So she did the face paint for me on neon, and then I did the eyes. I showed you guys that, I believe. So, ooh, they arguing. I'm being nosy. People on the street arguing. Let me mind my business and go home. Well, see, like I said, it says that I've been filming for 2 minutes, and I literally filmed while I was still at the Burger King, and I'm literally at the light before my house already. Well, I'm coming up to it right now. So 3 minutes away, very close. You guys see now. Oh, it's moving. Sorry. You see now why I came to this Burger King, because it's literally right there from my house. I don't even want a burger, but again, if I get hungry later, I have something to eat. So yeah, I was trying to figure out how it said it was like 2 something for the kids meal, and all of a sudden my total was like $7. I was like, what the hell? So it's all right. All right, let me pull into my house, guys. I am home sweet home, guys. I guess you guys could have a better-ish look of what my makeup looks like. Oh, and I have the hiccups. I'm about to go take a shower. Everybody's ignoring me. Whatever. But Jake already ate that quickly. And Simba's ignoring me. So I guess I'll take a shower and drink something so I can stop with the hiccups already. I gotta stop looking at myself and look at the camera. I'm tired, but today's been a really good day. This was supposed to be, I think, a weekend vlog, like the entire weekend, but it might end up being just a Friday vlog because today was really eventful. Like, a lot of things happened. Oh, you guys never get to see my mole. It's always covered up with makeup, but I don't have any foundation on, so I guess you could see it better. Anyway, it's not like mascara or anything. That's a mole. Okay, let me see what I'm gonna do. Let me think what I'm gonna decide. If I end up thinking I have enough footage, I'm gonna look through the footage, and if I have enough footage for this to be a standalone video, it will be. If not, and I'll come and like wrap it up. If not, I'll probably see you guys either later tonight or... Hey guys, so I am aware that it's very dark and all you could see is probably my face, and that's because only the TV is on and Jake is right there.
You can see me because it's like I'm glowing. By the way, this is great, not green.
I know, it's looking green, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, so I decided to make today only one vlog by itself, and then I'll probably still vlog the rest of our weekend. But I know that if I add this day to all the other days, it's just going to be a super long vlog. So I'm going to vlog today, and then I'm going to try to keep up with vlogging the rest of this weekend, but it's about to be a busy weekend, huh? So if I'm not able to, I'm sorry, but I will try my hardest. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and if you did, don't forget.
Today?
I vlogged the whole day, Papi.
I didn't know that.
I know, because I wasn't with you, huh? But maybe we can vlog Monday since we're going to be together. Do you hear him?
Daddy said we can go to the pool on Monday.
How you going to go to the pool? It's going to be 40 degrees. He don't be checking the weather. He just tells you stuff. Anyway, so we are headed to sleep soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
We're headed to our dreams.
Yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I put up new videos, including more vlogs. And yeah, you got anything you want to say, Jakey?
No.
My goodness, you can really see how much we look alike. Look, we have the same features in the dark. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, bye, guys.
Bye.
Oh, you heard him? Simba said meow. I think that means bye. Bye.